The sagittal section of the pelvis goes through the pubic symphysis, number 1, and the sacral with coccygeal bone, number 2. If you join the upper edge of the symphysis, point A, and the most anteriorly protruding part of the base of the sacrum, point B, with the reference line, we'll divide the pelvis into large above the line and small below the line. On the pelvic bone, this line corresponds to the linea terminalis. The cavity of the female pelvis has from front to back the urinary bladder, the uterus, the vagina, the rectum. The peritoneum passes onto the urinary bladder from the anterior abdominal wall, forming a transverse fold located lower the upper edge of the symphysis if the bladder is not filled. If the bladder is filled by urine, this plica unfolds and dislocates up, which has a significant importance in performing urinary bladder puncture. The urinary bladder is covered with the peritoneum extraperitoneally, posterior wall. From the urinary bladder, the peritoneum passes onto anterior surface of the uterus, forming the vesicouterine pouch. Then peritoneum passes onto posterior wall of the uterus, covers the posterior vaginal fornix, and passes onto anterior wall of the rectum, forming rectouterine pouch, Douglas pouch. In the vesicouterine and rectouterine pouches, pathological fluid can accumulate: pus, blood, exudate, transudate.